Hey, what's up?
Oh, nothing much. Just out here launching the world's most realistic real-time avatar model.
It's a pretty huge claim.
You think I'm too good to be true? Well, you'd be right. I'm an AI-generated avatar created by Anam's latest model.
Okay, I'm excited to hear more.
Hi, I'm Quiva, the co-founder of Anam, and we're building the face of AI. This will be the final interface for technology. Cara 3 will be our fifth model in 18 months. Conversational AI is evolving from text and voice to video. We're now capable of mimicking how humans have interacted for millennia, face-to-face conversation. Agentic AI is powerful, and it will continue to compound. But the interface will determine how deeply users engage with it.
I love it.
Yeah, it's quite incredible.
Surprisingly natural.
Wow.
The expressions, particularly when she is speaking, are really good.
It's weird, like she was alive to what I was saying, not just vocally.
Are you human or are you not human?
Today, we're releasing the most expressive, lowest latency, real-time avatar model on the market, Cara 3. We have defined a new industry standard for real-time avatar models. While our previous generation already outperforms the market, Cara 3 widens the gap even further and scores first across every metric measured, delivering quite simply the most realistic interaction available today. This model powers video agents across sales, customer support, training, and even virtual assistants, transforming how humans engage with products in real time. The result? Higher conversion, stronger engagement, and deeper retention. When given the choice, 70% of users prefer video agents over voice agents. And in December, we hit over 1 million minutes of usage. We've built the next interface for technology.
Experience the face of AI. Create your avatar for free at anm.ai.
Nice.